Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Wulan Sulistiarli from Management Class 22A. I want to explain about capital market. The capital market is an activity related to public offering and securities trading. Public companies relate to the securities they issue, as well as institutions and provisions related to securities. Meanwhile, according to Bracelet, the capital market acts as a link between investors and company and government agencies through trading long-term instruments such as bonds, shares, and orders. Capital market function. The capital market is a means of increasing capital for business. Companies can obtain funds by selling shares to the capital market. These shares will be purchased by general public, other companies, institutions, or by the government. Capital market as a means of equalizing income. After a certain period of time, the shares that have been purchased will provide dividends to the buyers. Therefore, selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. Capital market as a means of increasing production capacity. With additional capital absent from the capital market, company productivity will increase. Capital market as a means of creating employment. The essence of the capital market can encourage the emergence and development of other introduced, which have an impact on the creation of new jobs. Capital market is a means of increasing state income. Every dividend distributed to shareholders will be taxed by the government. The additional income through this tax will increase state income. Capital market as an indicator of the country economy. The increasing activity and volume of sales persons in the capital market index the business activities of various companies are running well, vice versa. Capital market investment. The capital market is also known as the stock exchange. In it, you can find various types of security that are traded every day. This type of security include 1. Shares. Shares are security that are proof of ownership of company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to receive dividends or profit sharing. 2. Mutual funds are known as instruments that serve as a forum for collecting and managing the funds of several investors. The funds are then managed by investment managers into various instruments, such as money markets, bonds, shares, or other security. Debt security or bonds. You can also get security in the form of bonds on the capital market. Ownership of debt securities can be transferred, and the holder has the right to obtain interest and repayment of the debt within a predetermined period. Exchange trade fund. The security actually have similarities to mutual fund. Both are collected collectively. However, AFT can be traded on the stock exchange like shares. Derivatives. Furthermore, there are also securities in their derivative form. These securities are known as derivatives of shares. There are two types of the derivative the, that you can find in the Indonesian capital market, namely warrant and right. Benefit of capital markets. The capital market has benefit for issuers as well as for investors. Benefit of capital market for issues. 1. The amount of funds that can be raised is large. 2. This fund can be raised at once when the primary market is finished. 3. There are no covenants so that management can have more freedom in managing fund companies. 4. The company's solvency is high, thereby improving the company image. 5. The issues dividends on banks become smaller. Benefit of capital market for investors. 1. Investment value growth following economic growth. This increase is reflected in the increase in share prices which receive capital gains. 2. Dividend for those who own or hold shares and also floating interest for bondholders. 3. Can simultaneously invest in several instruments that reduce risks. Bond as a profitable investment product. If you just have the intention to invest, perhaps you can consider bonds as the best investment product. Indeed, bonds do not have the same popularity as shares and investment product, but bonds can be your entry point in starting to invest, which can increase your income while still working productively. That's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and listening to me.